How to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change Instagram story from close friends to everyone. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the Instagram app on your phone. And now here, once you're inside the app, just tap on your story option. And now from here, you can simply start creating a story like normal. And now here, like you normally would, you would simply choose the photo or a video for your story. And now here, once you have selected that, on the story section while sharing at the pop-up, you'll see two different options. So first is close friend and another is your story. So here, if you want to share your story with everyone, what you have to do is you simply have to uncheck the close friends option and you simply have to select your story option to share it with everyone. And now here, let's say if your story has been already posted to close friends, then Instagram does not currently provide a direct option to switch that story to public or everyone afterward. However, you do have two alternatives. Now, here you can either choose your close friends list and add more people to it, essentially making the story visible to larger audience, or the better option is to repost the story again. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.